Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformation. So today we are going to be getting ready for the spring season with these nail art ideas. So I love mixing things up during the spring months. You can really play around with florals. And I really just hope that today's video does inspire you to do something creative and fun with your nails this spring season. So here are some of the trends that we're going to be seeing. Of course, when we think of spring, we think of florals. We're going to be seeing a lot of pinks, a lot of yellows, and of course a ton of pastels. Multicolored pastels. And then here we have a variety of looks that you can wear as of now, which is March. As you can see, tons of floral inspired looks. And then here we have a tutorial which features a nude base as well as some super pretty florals on top. These nails are absolutely gorgeous, and with a lot of these different art styles, you can of course wear them well into the summer months as well. Here we have like a nude colored floral design. Beautiful accents with this gold. Oh, this is so pretty. Got the lilacs, daisies, and I love lavender for the spring season. Just looks so pretty. You can also mix in like different fruits like the lemons and the strawberries. Here we have a really pretty chrome floral look. Chrome nails are still a huge trend for 2025. I think that this is so pretty. Followed by another nude look. Lots of sparkle with these, the pastels and the florals. So girly and pretty. Here we have another kind of French tip look with the floral pop of yellow there mixed in with some flowers. Beautiful daisies. And then once again, we have another tutorial. This one does feature like the chrome design with the floral look again. I saw a lot of this when I was looking on TikTok. And then of course we have a lot of pastel green hues for the month of March. You can play around with some St. Patty's Day nails. Another pretty nude floral design here. And then of course we got the tulips. Oh, those are so pretty. I love the mix of colors with that one. It's kind of like fall meets spring. And then we have like a neon inspired look with the florals. This is so gorgeous. Pretty baby blue with some floral colors. Daisies. We're seeing a lot of that nude mixed look with the colors. I think that's really cute. Ooh, orange florals here mixed with the nude. Those nails kind of remind me of, like, have you guys seen like the pressed floral artwork? That's what it kind of reminds me of. And it's pretty much like artwork just on the nails. Like, it's just so pretty. Oh, wow. Look at these nails. I love the color mix. It is like that fun kind of neon vibe as well. Very retro. Another cute pair of nude nails with some floral designs. The mixed in combo with the French tip. We're seeing a lot of that this season. And then here we have some more yellow inspired pastel nail coloring. Looks like they did a pastel chrome look here. Cherries are another huge one for this season as well. Like I said, mixing in like the fruit designs is a cute idea. I think this is a super fun look because it mixes in elements that are very unexpected. Like, I would never expect to see a strawberry or a cherry mixed with, you know, yellow nails. All right, you guys, I hope you were able to get some spring nail ideas. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.